Hey guys, this is Cyber Gypsy, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enable night light in Windows 11. Alright, so for doing that there's two methods. One is fairly simple and just works on the click of a button, and the second one is more of for your customization needs. You can customize it according to your needs for like scheduling it and the intensity of it. Alright, so for the first method, you just simply head over to the bottom right of your screen to the taskbar, and here you can see the icons for the Wi-Fi and the battery icon. You simply click here and you can see that the nightlight button is present here, and if you click on it, the nightlight feature will be turned on. Now in some cases the nightlight button is not present, so for bringing it to the forefront, you simply go to the pencil icon here, which is below and just left to the settings button. And when you click on it, you can unpin it or pin it from the the display of the buttons here. So if I unpin it from here, it will vanish. Now how do I bring it back to the forefront? You simply click on the add button, which is below here, and you can see there's an option for night light. If you click on it, it will come back to the forefront, and again you can turn this on by clicking on it. Alright, so we'll see the next method. That is, for that you have to go to the settings. So head over to start and settings, and in the settings you head over to display, and you can simply see on the second option that there's the night light, and there's a toggle button for it. If you turn it on, the night light will be turned on your PC. Now if you want to customize it, simply go inside this, and you can see there's a strength slider bar, so you can just drag it and change the intensity of the light, and you can reduce it by going to the left and increase it by going to the right. There's also a scheduling feature, and you can see I have turned it on, and my timings are from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. That means the night light will be turned on only during this time period. Now you can turn this off or on according to your needs. And again, simply for turning night light on, you just toggle this button on, and there you go. That's about it, folks. That's how you turn on night light in Windows 11. And that's it for today. Until next time.